Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing one of our newest listings. This is Unit 1413 in the GIAVENO subdivision of Treviso Bay. This is a terrace condo, the Bellini floor plan, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, with a great room design. And this is part of the golf bundled package here, so you get a full golf membership with this unit. Let's walk inside and take a look here. As you turn to the left from your entry, you've got the master bedroom here. That's a king size bed, just so you can get a perspective on what fits there very well. Then you've got a couple of closets. You've got a coat style closet right here, and then on this side you've got more of the walk-in style closet there. And this leads you into the bath, which has your commode, the single sink, and then you've got the standalone shower there. Now coming back across from the master is your guest bedroom. Here you're going to see this with a couple twins and a chest for storage. Then you of course have your bifold closet there as well. And this is right off the guest bath here, which is going to have the single sink, the commode, and then you've got your combination tub and shower as well. Now right back out into the hallway here, you've got a full-size washer and dryer for laundry space and plenty of storage area above it. And this opens up really nicely into your great room design here with the Bellini floor plan. Nice and open to everything. But we're going to start directly to my right here. And this area here was originally supposed to be a formal dining, as Lennar Homes had planned, but many owners have repurposed it to have a pull-out type sofa, which is what you see here, and a little workstation, more of a den office space. You've got the nice countertop here, and then your kitchen with the granite countertops, full stainless appliance package. You've got your eating kitchen area with the bay windows overlooking your lake view. Nice sized pantry right there. And this all overlooks the great room area here. Now this home is being sold fully turnkey, so everything that you see in this video is being offered for sale with this home. Now, last but not least, we've got the views here. Now, something to take note of here, this is in Building 14 of GIAVENO. Building 14 of GIAVENO will have the largest lake view that you're going to find in the GIAVENO subdivision. And that is going to be wrapped around from the Rookery Bay Preserve directly behind that. And that is a gorgeous view. And something else to consider as well, you're going to get your sunset right out this way. So you're going to be able to sit here on your lanai and see the beautiful sunset from your first story condo. Another good point about this unit, it is on the first floor, so you will have every opportunity to just walk straight in from your car with groceries. If you're a pet owner, it makes it really convenient to stop outside and take your pets for walks. All right, guys, so this is Unit 1413 GIAVENO, comes with the bundled golf membership and is being offered fully turnkey as you see it here. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.